You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The full name of the molecule, better known commonly as LSD. Let's break down the pronunciation. Lysergic, lysergic. Lysergic acid, that's one part of the molecule. The other is diethylamide, diethylamide. So overall, the full form of LSD, the acronym LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, or lysergic acid diethylamide. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.